Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you guys can create a simple 2D game inside Unreal Engine 4. So let's get started. First thing I'm gonna do is to create a new project. Open up your engine, select games, hit next, choose 2D side scroller, hit the next button, leave the setting to default, but we don't need any starter content, so click on the no starter content, rename your project. I'm gonna call it yeah create a project, and you need to download our assets. I found this free asset from itch.io, and don't worry, I leave a link in the description down below. You can find the asset link. After you download this project, uh, let me open this up. We need to extract our file, so extract to your file and open the folder. We got some PNG file. Include run animation, idle animation, def animation, and also charge animation. So for this video we only need idle and the run animation. So choose your PNG file, drop it to your engine. After you do that, you guys need to select all of this, hit the right button on the cube, I mean hold shift, click this one, right button, mouse right button, speed action, apply paper 2D texture settings. Now we got our textures are transparent. So let's go to spirit action, hit extract sprites, leave the default setting, extract and extract. So we got our idle and also our run. So we need to create a flipbook for our idle animation. So click choose all of the idle papers, create a flipbook, and now we got our animation. Yeah, piece of cake. And we need to create our animation for run. So choose all of them, right button, create a flipbook, run. And I don't know why this happened, but I can live with that. So let me hit the play. For default, we got our character running around, and it's nothing too much important, just a default 2D project. So let's apply this stuff. Yeah, open up your character. On the event graph for our idle, we have a handle animation. We got a false and true. For the false, I'm going to choose my B which idle one, and for run, I'm gonna run which run. What if I hit play? Nothing show up. Yeah, the character is too small and we can't see anything. So let's fix it up. Open your viewport, delete our default character. You can also replace with idle, but our our character is a little bit small, so let's fix this small thing. Click on the lock button, enter 6 on your button, and we got our character fit to our capsule component. So if I hit play, now we got our character running around. She has her own animations and piece of cake. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more Unreal Engine 4 tutorial. And I see you in the next one. Bye!